Hi, I'm Devon Harris. Welcome to part 2 of my video on visualization. In part 1, we learned that you must seize it before you seize it. In other words, your mental pictures become your reality. We also learned that you must see yourself as successful and that visualization is a practice, a skill that you can develop. Certainly from my personal experience, I know this to be true. I also know that there are some important keys that you must practice in order to visualize successfully. In this video, we'll share those keys with you. 5 keys to successful visualization. First of all, relaxation. Whenever you're visualizing, make sure that you're totally and completely relaxed. Worry, tension, anxiety, all these things will hinder your ability to concentrate. Secondly, frequency. They say repetition is the mother of success. There are 2 distinct advantages to practicing your visualization frequently. The first is that you simply get better at it. And the second and most important advantage is that it influences the way you think and thus causes you to engage in activities that lead to the accomplishment of your goals. The third key is clarity. The more clearly you're able to see your goals, the faster you'll be able to achieve them. So always work hard at adding as much vivid details as possible to your visualization. It's the small details that make all the difference and make your mental pictures seem more authentic. Of course, if you're a non-eidetic visualizer, the same principle applies. The stronger the emotion, the more powerful they are. The stronger the emotion of what you sense or feel, the more powerful your visualization will be. This brings us to the 4th key, intensity. Whenever you visualize, work really hard at creating the exact feelings and emotions you'd experience upon accomplishment of your goals. The more intense these feelings and emotions are, the faster these mental instructions will be implanted in your subconscious mind. The 5th and final key is duration. Each time you visualize, work really hard at holding the picture, the passion or the emotion longer than you did the last time. Refuse to let anxiety, fear, or any other distraction cut short your visualization practice. The longer you're able to hold a crisp, clear image or a really strong emotion, the faster and more likely these things are to appear. There's no doubt you have the ability to make your dreams come true. I encourage you to practice the techniques you have learned in this video. At first you may find it challenging. You may even feel funny. That's okay. Stick with it. The power lies within you. I am Devon Harris, and as always, keep on pushing.